Now it's time for Vantage Shots, images that tell the story. Claudia Sheinbaum is sworn in as Mexico's first female president. In India, an Air Force chopper makes an emergency landing in flood-hit Bihar. In Russia, rescuers save 4 stranded killer whales. And finally, we are taking you back in history. On this day in 1869, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born in India's Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi played a pivotal role in India's independence. He shares his birthday with Lal Bahadur Shastri, the second Prime Minister of India. He was born in Uttar Pradesh in 1904. We're leaving you on that note. Thank you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
Начался прилив. Надеемся, что все будет хорошо.
Firstpost decodes the U.S. election, explains how America chooses its president. Your primer on the race to the White House. Everything you need to know about how America votes and its global implications. U.S. Election Explained. Every Monday and Thursday only on Firstpost.